Hi, I'm Allison Cahill with the agency, and today I want to introduce you to my newest listing located in Los Gatos in the heart of North Scottsdale's 85255 on 1.4 acres with one-of-a-kind horse facility.